Okay friends, in our previous tutorials we discussed many things under tables, and the tables tutorials was gonna lengthy because it was divided into 4 sub tutorials, and now I'm gonna to show you forms in HTML. So just click into this lessons file and edit this indexed file with Notepad++. This is the basic HTML structures, and we just change the title of this web page into HTML forms. Okay, click into save. Actually, the HTML forms are required when you want to collect some data from the site visitors. For example, during user registration, you would like to collect information such as the name of the user, email address, credit card, etc. So there are various form elements that is available like text field, text area fields, drop down menus, radio buttons, checkbox, etc. And here we are gonna to discuss some of them, such as the first one is how to create form. To create form, we have to use the form tag, which is form form with a closing form tag. This is not enough information to make a form, so we have to put some other element under the form tags, which is first name. As I'm gonna to make a form just as first name, then I have to put certain elements such as input, type, equal sign, and quotation mark. And under this quotation mark, I have to text the type of inputs, which is text. Then I have to type the name, equal sign, quotation mark, and as here I'm going to mention the last name, and to make a last name we have to use last underscore name. At the end we just make it close this input tag under the same tag, as this is the self closed tag. So this is the first name, make it save and launch this with Firefox. Here you can see this is the first name with the box where the users or the visitor check their name, such as first name. My first name is Aksa. Okay, this is the first name form. You can add anything under this form tag, like this one: first name, second name, third name, phone number, contact number, email address, etc. You just have to change the type or name, etc. Another thing that I want to show you in this tutorial is multiple line text input controls, and this is used when the user is required to give detail that may be longer than a single sentence. So to use multi-line inputs controllers, we have to use text area tag. So I'm just gonna to make another form, close this tag with closing form tag, and under this form tag I just make a description colon and just type BR to make a line break, as I discussed earlier about BR, and I have to type another element or tag text area, which is belongs to row, equal sign, how much rows you want, as I want 5 rows, and calls, how much calls you want, as I want 50 calls. And then I have to put the name, equal sign, quotation mark, and description. Then I have to close this tag. Then I have to add something like towards the visitor, such as enter description here, and close the text area tag. Okay, now at the end we just have to close the form that we already closed. So this is the form and this is another form. Actually we just use this form, not here. This is belongs to the above one, which is okay, not here, just here. Close form. Okay, click into save and go back to Firefox. Make it refresh. You can see here is a description and here is another thing, entire description here. Just visitor visit and type their description like my name is blah blah blah, or I have a question, so etc. So you can add this description with the help of forms. This is all about HTML forms. Thanks for watching.